Good morning and Assalamu alaikum class. Today the topic that I am going to discuss is disadvantages of junk food. So first of all we should know about what is food. Food is a substance that is eaten by living things. Food can be eaten in two ways, good way and bad way. Good way means eating the right amount of food in right proportion. We also call this balanced diet. And in bad way, when we eat too much or when we eat too little or when we eat unhealthy food like eating junk food. In junk food we have fizzy drinks, we have fast food. So you all know that food is the most important thing that we intake. It forms the foundation of a strong body and gives us the energy to fight from a lot of deadly diseases. So to enjoy a healthy life, you must have healthy food. Okay, now moving towards the disadvantages. First of all, you all should know about the junk food. Junk food itself says a lot about this topic. It indicates that how it is harmful to our health. Furthermore, junk food are basically trash which harms our bodies in different ways because they have high levels of cholesterol, sugar, salt, calories and more fats. Okay, so do you know, we see nowadays the younger generation is indulging in more and more junk food, and this is putting their lives in danger and giving them an unhealthy lifestyle. Now here the question arises, why people are attracting towards the junk food, towards the unhealthy food? The reason is because it is appealing, okay, because it is reasonable. Reasonable means it is of very low price and easily accessible. It means that everyone have food app in their phones, so they can just easily open their food app and order any type of fast food they want to eat. And another is that it is easily prepared, means instant cooking. That's why it is very attractive and people are attracting towards it. Okay, so why do we love junk food? This is the question that even we all know that it is unhealthy, still we love junk food. Why? Because it look cool? No, this is not the reason. Because manufacturers design it to activate our brain's reward system. They create perfect combination of salt, sugar, spices and which excite our taste buds. Now after this, when we eat regular food which is cooked in our homes, as it doesn't activate our reward system and we feels that it is not that much tasty, because it feels less appealing to us and we prioritize to eat that junk food. So you know, many researchers prove that junk food causes more stress in people who eat more because of very low nutritional value. Okay, so the diseases caused by the junk food are so many. The diseases like fatigue, depression, heart diseases, eye diseases, liver diseases, premature aging, obesity and diabetes. All these type of disorders are caused by the junk food, by eating the junk food. So now discussing the disadvantages of junk food in detail. Junk food, let me tell you another thing, that how and why we are having and getting brain disorders, brain diseases. For example, let's take the example of ischemic stroke. In ischemic stroke, what happened that when we eat junk food regularly, so fats gradually start to build up in our arteries, and when these fats start to building up in our arteries, it start narrowing them. And when these arteries ruptures, a clot form, and when a clot form blocking a complete artery, what happened when our arteries become thin? A blood clot form there and it blocks our artery completely, and brain cells die because they don't receive the supply of blood and oxygen. The major characteristics of junk food is that it spikes the energy levels instantly, but you know, it doesn't really benefit our body and it just satisfies your taste buds. So taking it regularly leads the person moody more often. Like most of the time the person remains moody. Okay, Now, the junk food also causes gastrointestinal problems because it is not easy to digest. So, after eating just junk food, you notice yourselves, your stomach. There will be problem to you people in digestion. It also creates high chances of obesity because in today's world, so many people are suffering from the disorder obesity, and it is a very chronic disorder, and it leads to so many disorders, and it is the main reason and the most common reason is eating the junk food or do not taking the balanced diet. So did you people notice that your concentration level during the lecture? So regular consumption of junk food causes a drop in the concentration level of a person. This is why we see how kids these days are easily distracted, because the junk food is also causing brain diseases. So in brain diseases we have attention problems, we have concentration problems, we have memory problems. So another disorder or disadvantages is lack of fibers. Lack of fibers in the junk food leads to a damaged digestive system, and this may cause constipation as well. So a lot of studies have shown that eating junk food changes chemical activity of brain. It causes uncontrollable cravings. People when eat junk food, they still have more cravings to eat more and more and more. Why? Because of this increase their appetite. So the junk food also have artificial flavorings and preservatives. It increase hyperactivity. And they are dangerous, and as you people know about this, that these preservatives and artificial flavors, they are not good for health when we are taking it in high amount. So that's why it is not healthy food. And another is that it also manifests greater emotional instability and changes in your psychology, problems like attention deficit, anxiety, individualism, frustration, and premature aging. Because now the question arises how it is causing premature aging in us, because your dermis is not properly oxygenated by saturation of fats. It means like when you are not getting enough amount of oxygen, so what happened? It causes premature aging. Now let me tell you about a research study related to the junk food, which is that research by Public Health Nutrition notes that people who consume junk food habitually are 51% more likely to develop depression. Okay, so now let's do the comparison of healthy food and the junk food. Healthy food also contain fiber, water. They add up to the volume, thus filling our stomach. But as junk food doesn't have this, so it doesn't fill us, and we keep eating and consume more and more calories, leading to the obesity and diabetes. Okay, so this is a healthy plate. Healthy plate means eat healthy, stay healthy, taking balanced diet. Like we have one portion of carbohydrates, we have proteins, we have healthy fats, we have fruits and vegetables, which gives us vitamins and minerals. And this is junk food, which have very low nutritional value. Okay class, so now moving towards our last topic, that how to attract students towards healthy eating. So I discuss in detail its disadvantages. I am sure that you people will change your eating habits as you know and you have more information about the disadvantages of junk food. So you should eat healthy and stay healthy. Okay, so if you still want to eat fast food, then your mothers can cook it at home in a healthy way. If you are going to be a good student, then you must quit unhealthy food. You must have a balanced diet, and if you all want to enjoy a healthy life, eating junk food you should stop eating junk food, and the growth, because the growth of our brain and it also affect our mind and the growth of our brain. So as well as it will damage your liver and other problems because of not containing essential nutrients. Now in a research study, it is also an interesting fact. So a study published in American Journal of Clinical Nutrition 2014 showed that healthy people who ate junk food for 5 days performed poorly on cognitive tasks. So what is cognitive task? Cognitive tasks usually measure your attention, speed and mood. So I just take this example so that you can understand that how badly this eating junk food is affecting your memory and your concentration level. As you all know about, junk food is high in sugar and fat, so it can suppress activity of brain peptide called BDNF that helps with learning and memory formation. This can restrict your ability to think, recall and create memories. It means that it increases the risk of dementia. So now concluding this topic, so we see that how junk food companies are fooling we people. They are deceiving us into consuming their junk food to increase their sales. Thus we need to realize this food that it is bad to health as soon as possible. Try to replace junk food with a healthy food and prepare your meals at home instead of ordering outside. So good health is very important and can be achieved by healthy eating. Eat healthy, stay healthy and say no to junk food. Thank you and goodbye.